Continue the previous lecture. Today topic is transformation optimization. Optimization transformation to enable the data integration service to process transformation in a mapping efficiency. Use the following optimization techniques to optimize the transformation. Configuration transformation for optimization, eliminate transformation errors, configuration the transformation cache. Aggregator transformation optimization. Aggregator transformations often slow performance because they must group data before processing it. Aggregator transformation need additional memory to hold intermediate groups result. Consider the following solution for aggregator transformation bottleneck. You can optimize aggregator transformation when you group by simple columns. When possible, use numbers instead of string and date in the columns. Use the for the group by. Avoid complex expression in the aggregator expression. Use sorted input. To increase mapping performance, sort data for the aggregator transformation. Use the sorted input option to sort data. The sorted input option decreases the use of aggregator caches. When you use the sorted input option, the data integration service assume all data is sorted by group. Integration service reads row for a group. It performs aggregator calculation when necessary. It store group information in memory. The sorted input option reduce the amount of data cached during the mapping and improves performance. Use the sorted input option or a sorter transformation to pass sorted data to the aggregator transformation. And third, you can increase performance when you use the sorted input option in mappings with multiple partitions. Filter it before you aggregator it. If you use a filter transformation in the mapping, place the transformation before the aggregator transformation to reduce unnecessary aggregation. Limit port connections. Limit the number of connected input output or output ports to reduce the amount of data the aggregator transformation stores in the data cache. Expression optimization. Some expression used in the transformation might decrease performance. Consider the following solution for expression bottleneck. Isolate slow expression. Slow expressions slow mapping performance. To isolate slow expression, remove expression from the mapping one at a time and run the mapping to determine the expression from the mapping time it take to run the mapping without the expression. If there is a significant difference in mapping runtime, look for where the optimization the slow expression. Complete the following step to evaluate expression performance. First, time the mapping with the original expression. Second, copy the mapping and replace half of the complex expression with a constant. And next, run and time the edited mapping. Make other copy of the mapping and replace the other half of the complex expression with a constant. And last, run and time the edited mapping. Factor out common logic. If the mapping performs the same task in multiple places, reduce the number of time the mapping performs the task by moving the task earlier in the mapping. For example, you have a mapping with five target tables. Each target require a social security number lookup. Instead of performing the lookup 5 times. Place the lookup transformation in the mapping before the data flow splits. Next, pass the lookup result to all 5 targets. Minimize aggregated function calls. When writing expression, factor out as many aggregate function call as possible. Each time you use an aggregated function call, the data integration service must search and group the data. For example, in the following expression, the data integration service read column A, find the sum, then read column B, find the sum, and finally find the sum of the two sum. Sum column A plus sum column B. If you factor out aggregated function call as below, the data integration service add column A to column B, then find the sum of the both. Sum column A plus column B. Replace common expression with local variable. If you use the same expression multiple times in one transformation, you can make that expression a local variable. You can use a local variable only within the transformation. However, by calculating the variable only once, you speed performance. Choose numerical versus string operator. The data integration services process numeric operation faster than string operation. For example, if you look up large amount of data on two columns, employee name and employee ID, configuration the lookup around employee ID improves performance. Optimize care and care comparison. When the data integration service perform comparison between character and variable character columns, it's slow each time it find telling blank space in the row. You can use the target character res character run rate option when you configure the data integration service in the information administrator so that the data integration service does not trim tearing space from the end of the character source fields. Choose decode versus lookup. When you use a lookup function, the data integration service must look up a table in a database. When you use decode function, you incorporate the lookup value into the expression so the data integration service does not have to look up a separate table. Therefore, when you want to look up a small set of unchanging value, use decode to improve performance. Use operators instead of function. The data integration service read expression written in operators faster than expression with function. Where possible, use operators to write expression. For example, you have the following expression that contain nested contact function. Here the show contact function, optimization if function. If function can return a value and an action which allow for more complex expression. For example, you have a source with their y and n flags, means yes and no, flag A and flag B and flag C. You want to return value based on the values of each flags. You use the following expression. So the following expression. Next, joiner transformation optimization. Joiner transformation can slow performance because they need additional space at runtime to hold intermediate result. Consider the following solution for joiner transformation bottleneck. Design the master source as the source with fewer duplicate key values. When the data integration service processes sorted joiner transformation, it catch row for 100 100 unique keys at a time. If the master source contain many rows with the same key value, the data integration service must catch more row, which can decrease performance. Designed Designate the master source as the source with favor row. The joiner transformation compares each row of the detail source assigned the master source. The favor row in the master, the favor iteration of the join comparison occur, which speed the join process. Perform joins in a database when possible. Performing a join in a database is faster than performing a join in during the mapping run. The type of database join that you use can affect performance. Normal joins are faster than outer joins and result in favor row. Sometimes you cannot perform the join in the database, such as joining table from two different database or flat file system. Join sorted data when possible. Configure the join transformation to use sorted input. The data integration service increase performance by minimizing disk input and disk output. The greatest performance increase occur when you with large data sets. For an unstored joiner transformation, designate the source with favor row as the master source. Optimize the join condition. The data integration service attempt to decrease the size of the data set of one join operand by reading the row from the similar group, finding the matching row in the large group, and then performing the join operation. Decreasing the size of the data set improve mapping performance because the data integration service no longer read unnecessary row from the large group source. The data integration service move the join condition to the large group source and read only the row that match the smaller group, and use the semi-join optimization method. Use the semi-join optimization method to improve mapping performance when one input group has many more rows than the other, and when the large group has many rows with no match in the smaller group based on the join condition. Sorter transformation optimization. Sorter transform can slow performance when the physical RAM on the data integration service node does not have enough memory allocated to sort data. Consider the following solution for sorter transform bottleneck. Allocate sufficient memory for optimal performance configuration. The sorter cache size with a value less than or equal to the amount of available physical RAM on the data integration service node. Allocate at least 16 MB physical memory to sort data using the sorter. Data integration service cannot allocate enough memory to sort data. It fails the mapping if the amount of incoming data is greater than the amount of sorter cache size. The data integration service temporarily store data in the sorter transformation work directly. The data integration service requires disk space at least twice the amount of incoming data when sorting data in the work directory. SQL transformation optimization. Each time the data integration service process a new query in mapping, it call a function called SQL prepare to create an SQL procedure and pass it to the database. When the query change for each input row, it might decrease performance. Consider the following solution for SQL transformation bottleneck. Do not use transaction statement in a SQL transformation query. When an SQL query contains commit and rollback query statement, the data integration service must recreate the SQL procedure after each commit or rollback. To optimize performance, do not use transaction statement in a SQL transformation query. Enable early selection or push into filter optimization method with the SQL transformation. To increase performance, the consider enabling the early selection or push into optimization method with the SQL transformation. Transformation catch. When you run a mapping that use an aggregator, joiner, lookup, rank or sorter transformation, the data integration service create cache in memory to process the transformation. If the data integration service require more space, it store overflow value in cache files on disk. Consider the following solution for transformation cache bottleneck. Configure the transformation to allocate enough space to store the cache in memory. To improve the processing time for the aggregator, joiner, lookup, rank or sorter transformation. Configuration the transformation to allocate enough space to store the cache in memory. When you configure the amount of cache memory to be equal to or greater than what is required to cache the data and index, you increase performance by reducing the system input output overhead. When the data integration service write cache files to disk, the processing time increased due to system input output overhead. By default, the data integration service automatically configures the cache memory requirements at runtime. After you run a mapping in auto cache mode, you can tune the cache size for the transformation. You analyze the transformation statistics in the mapping log to determine the cache size required to process the transformation in memory. When you configure the cache size to use the value specified in the mapping log, you can ensure that no allocate memory is wasted. However, the optimal cache size varies based on the size of the source data. Review the mapping log after subsequent mapping run to monitor changes to the cache size. If you configure a specific cache size for a usable transformation, verify that the cache size is optimal for each use of the transformation in a mapping. Transformation error elimination. In large number transformation error decrease the performance of the data integration service. With each transformation error, the data integration service pushes to determine the case of the error and to remove the row causing the error from the data flow. The data integration service typically write the row into the mapping flow log file of the data integration service logs. Consider the following solution for transformation error bottleneck. Check the mapping log file to see where the transformation error occur and evaluate those transformation constraints. Transformation error occur when the data integration service encounters conversion error, conflicting mapping logic, and any condition set up as an error such as null input. Check the mapping log file to see where the transformation error occur. If the errors center around particular transformation, evaluate those transformation constants. Configure a lower tracking level. If you need to run a mapping that generate a large number of transformation error, it is possible to improve performance by setting a lower tracking level. However, this is not a recommended long-term solution to transformation error. Transformation side effect. A transformation has side effect. It is return row and modify an object, or if it interact with other object or function. The transformation might modify a database, add to a total, raise an exception, write an email, or call other function with side effect. The data integration service identify which the transformation have side effect. Effect before it optimization mapping. The data integration service assume that the transformation has side effect when it cannot determine if the transformation has side effect. Transformation with side effect limit when the data integration service can optimize the mapping, earlier selection, batch pruning, global predict optimization, and push into optimization alter mapping result if the data integration service apply them to transformation that has side effect. With early selection and push into optimization, filter logic is moved from a filter transformation as close to the source as possible. If the filter occurs before the side effect function, the mapping result change. For example, a transformation receive a customer ID and return row containing order information. The transformation slow also write the order to a file. If the data integration service apply a filter optimization before it write order to the files receive less row than when the filter occur later in the mapping. The transformation side effect is the function of writing the order record to a file. The following transformation has side effect. SQL transformation, web service consumer transformation, and Java transformation unless the side effect property is disabled. Transformation that call an abort or error function, send email or call a stored procedure. Transformation that write to files or database. Transformation that maintain a count through a variable port. For example, count equal to count plus 1. The SQL transformation, web service consumer transformation, and Java transformation have a side effect by default. If you configure the transformation to process row without side effect, you can disable the has side effect property in advanced properties. If the transformation does not have side effect, you can enable optimization by configuration additional properties in this transformation. History of local optimization. Every compiler comes with a set of local optimization rules such as x plus 0 equal to x and x equal to x that do not require any global analysis. These rules reflect the wisdom of the compiler developer about mathematical identities that hold for the operation of the intermediate representation. Unfortunately, this set of hand-crafted rules generate neither correctness nor completeness. Optigen solved this problem by generating all local optimization up to a given cost limit. Since Optigen verify each rules using a SMT solver, it guarantees correctness and completeness of the guaranteed rule set. Using Optigen, we tested the latest version of GCC, ICC and LLVM and identify more than 15 missing local optimization that involve only two operations. A new genetic local search GLS algorithm for multi-objective combinatorial optimization MOCO. The goal of the algorithm is a short time a set of approximately efficient solutions that will be allow the decision maker to choose a good comparison solution. In each iteration, the algorithm draw number of best solution among the pair generated solution. Then a pair of solution selected at random from the temporary population in recommended recommended local search procedure is applied to the offspring result of the presented experiment indicate that the algorithm outperforms other multi-objective method based on GLS and a Petro ranking based multi-object genetic algorithm GA on traveling self-person problem TSP. Local optimization, the optimization which is performed within the block sequence of consequently statement is local optimization if fields, switch case, conditional statement and loops such as do while for and repeat until etc. In reference to global sites, and my topic is complete. Thank you.